Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about sorry, accident layar. Ini Andre kewecoan. Jadi interact offshore accident layer is important if you are a family member has been hurt while working as a doctor, salesman, or I engage industry employee. The jobs are very difficult and dangerous. You rely on your employer and on the responsible party to put in the safety measure and make sure they are followed. Unfortunately, to my company to not protect their words, the alternate of the government legal group will uncover any negligence contributes to your injury. We will try to make sure you refuse this money. You need to pay your fees and move forward with your life. What damage can I get for the maritime injury works injury? As your offshore injury lawyer, you will cause in the make your revolver. Insurance public is not calculable. We will make sure you refuse the money you need to recover from your injury under your past bills. The damage you may be altered to where to category economic and non-economic. Economic tables are pretty excited the word my everyday language. Money for medical advice, habitado, medical device and mobility as medical coverage, therapy and rehabilitation costs. Money for advice of future medical advice was closer to your recovery. Vocational rehabilitation, loss of earning capacity of your injury will impact your ability to work over the long term of permanently. Not unlost, are plan other applications of resource on economic damage to man to cover for your emotional pain and suffering anxiety and lower quality of life. In some kind of extreme neglect, you may have to raise a punitive damage that are designed to punish impunity. Iya, lebih gosong lama betul dulu Kenapa teh? Aduh sih kok. Have you qualified as a seaman as the job achieve below? You might be under for benefits called maintenance and score. Maintenance component therefore because of room and where as the recover. What is the cause of the injury seaman medical? Gosong along with the transpiration due to that attachment. Or the seaman rush maximum medical environment maintenance and score benefit on. Maximum medical environment means to the person in healthy and reduce going job even not fully born. But in the job art and does not apply to makers. The job art is also called the marine ash of the federal case seaman. Certain protection it is allowed them use to their employee after injury was the job due to the employee neglect.
Next, do I need an offshore disciplinary living are not
Jadi kamu lu kena jawab mulu kan.
is essential.
Have you spent most of your time belum working on a boat or vessel in a navigation you may be considered as Have you worked on a vessel on a sailor they can report sailor my stand captain Maximus go Fishman or in other capacity you might meet the definition of a seaman. Have you done it with the definition? As he mean under the law, you are not eligible for cross competition. You must see competition for your injury without the Jones Arch. Under the Jones Arch employee or seamen are required to profit arrest from themselves. Work in permanent and maintenance the visual restly accept condition. 528. Cek. Example, all some conditions that employee may be able to for English, or permanent equipment regards to the class of remote training, apply proper equipment and class on cover result of the covered pilot, to profit difficult mind for employer to profits earning, our has another employee. Tak proses kan? So, which Generally, you must fail your job as within 3 years of the date of the accident, but not always be guilty for others to understand office to limitation and until the judgment that apply to your claims. Even if you don't qualify as a seaman according to the Jobs Act, there are other law in the class that money apply to your case test English. The author computational self-launch after Langsor and Habermas Computation Act. If your loved one sick or maritime accident, the date of the legacy much may apply. Shared health injury, suffered back injury, birth, loss of life, maritime loss, or injury are often treatable and electronic as expensive. If you are a will have been held the job union or layer to get you through the confidence law, and other day will have you determine the source of the compensation for you. Don't go about this alone. How much is my after accident cash worth? It's impossible of your own to determine. Especially how much your cash will work without. Help meeting how your necessity of your cash. Even then, past recovery and practical grant for the outcome determine manipulable that's left to determine how much money have you refresh. Your injury salary, your medical bill and auto expense, your estimate for the medical expense, whether and when you will be able to return to work, your non-economic loss, whether you will process compensation, of the features of work compensation. The attorney at the government legal group law towards discussing your case with your in the data in constitutional and free and broad not database unless you do. Kyle, our house on office, no. Okay guys, this is first discussion about offshore injury lawyer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time.